for the evening study?
Yes.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
For Aval Kesari, we have powdered 1 cup poha. Meanwhile, we have taken about 2.5 teaspoons of ghee and let it heat for a while. Next, we'll be adding few raisins and cashew nuts, and we will roast it in this ghee for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame, and we will quickly take them off the pan once the raisins and cashews are done. After that, we will be adding the powdered poha into the pan and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn a little brown in color. Next, we'll be adding about 1.5 cups of boiled water. Make sure that you're stirring the halwa really well so that you can avoid the formation of lumps. And we will let it cook like this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just to make the halwa a little smooth, we will be adding the leftover 1.5 teaspoon of ghee to it and keep stirring it for about 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. Next, we will be adding about 1 cup of sugar. We have added extra half cup later on. You can totally add sugar as per your sweetness preferences. We have added 1.5 cups of sugar in total. And the food coloring goes in as well. And mix it really well. And let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. We will be adding the roasted dry fruits to the pan. We have also added some cardamom powder at this point, but the clip got deleted. Now your halwa is almost ready. Just cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, and you can take this off the flame and enjoy this hot.
Guys, if you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Cooking with Amma.
And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye. Happy eating.